Hi, Cooking with Dad here. Today we're going to make a quick Italian bean soup with greens. You'll need carrots, onions, and celery, canned beans, broth, and Italian spice mix. First, chop the onions, celery, and carrots and mince the garlic. This aromatic mix will go well with just about any type of beans or greens that you decide to use. This recipe is really flexible and it allows you to use whatever ingredients you have on hand in your refrigerator or your pantry, and it's a great way to use up those odds and ends. So it's a fairly quick dish that you can make when you're pressed for time. So feel free to be creative and mix and match like different types of beans and greens and throw it in. First, saute your aromatics under medium heat until they're soft and they release a nice aroma. At that point, you can add your spices and you can pour in your quart of broth along with the drained beans and any greens that you decide to add. But if you're adding spinach, don't put that in here now. You put that in at the end. So bring it to a boil, cover, simmer for 15 or 20 minutes, and when it's done simmering, you can at this point add your spinach if you're using that, and you can put in some pre-cooked noodles, which I just happen to have in the refrigerator, and cover that and allow that to allow the noodles to warm up and the spinach to wilt really good, and then you're ready to serve it. You ladle it into a bowl and you serve it with some sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. So that's the bean soup recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Cooking with Dad.